Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the Shiba Inu. All right, wanted to do a full update on this. Have a look at it, look at everything you need to know, talk about what's possible, talk about what's most likely, etc. So that's what I wanted to do. Yesterday I was streaming, which by the way you can still look at, and maybe there's some valuable hints of information and tips and tricks, etc. But when I was streaming, a lot of you were interested in Shiba Inu, right? And a lot of you were asking about it. And for me, my main goal is to make videos that a lot of people have value in, or they see value in, or get value from, I should say. So that's why I wanted to cover Shiba Inu. Now, honestly, why I haven't covered Shiba Inu a lot recently is because not much has been going on. All right, you can see, and I drew these lines right here on the chart, and let me in the meanwhile look something up. But I drew these lines on the chart, right? So then it looks like something is happening. And we're about to get a lot of momentum, etc., and that we're going to get a breakout. And any other hype to YouTuber or analyst would say, "Oh, massive bullish breakouts coming up." But honestly, and maybe you might not like this. I'm sorry, but honestly, I don't think a big bullish breakout is coming, because even though this is true, right? So these trend lines, they're valid and they are respected to a certain extent. But what's what's more important is that Shiba is not trending right now. The ADX is falling down rapidly, which is an indication of trend, and you need trend for a breakout. That's super low. And then if you look at the EMAs right here, they're practically flat, right? So those are both indications that we are not trending. So I don't assume that we will get a massive bullish breakout. Now, ultimately, what I think you need to look at is first of all the market, because Shiba at this point of time is, to an extent, quite correlated to Bitcoin, 92%. It's pretty big extent. And Bitcoin right now just looks weak. All right, so Bitcoin can bounce at any point of time, but short term, the most likely scenario for Shiba is to follow Bitcoin, and short term, the most likely scenario for Bitcoin is down. So I expect us to break out below this downtrend right here, and to start trending down towards this bottom right here between 2,500 and 2,400. And I'm calling that the bottom because I think the main thing you need to know about Shiba is that if you really zoom out, we're just consolidating in this major range between 3,150 and 2,400. And we're in this box right here, and we're kind of moving up and down within that box, mostly in the middle, as you can see. Beautiful drawing. Mostly in the middle, but we're in that box. And ultimately, what you need to know and what you need to keep your eyes on is those two levels. So 2,400 and 3,150. If one of those two levels is going to break, and if Shiba Inu actually gains some open interest right here, which is also not the case right now, then we can break out, and then we can rally. But until that point of time, we're just going to follow Bitcoin, and we're just going to move sideways in this range. So what I would say, and what I think, and that's in line with what I expect from Bitcoin, is that Shiba right now will get some short-term bearish momentum, but I don't think that this range will break. I don't think we'll get a massive bearish breakout. I think this level will hold, and that from here we'll actually be able to get some sort of a short-term rally again, and potentially move all the way up to 3,000 and 3,100 again. So that's what I think you need to know. It might not be as glamorous as telling you that we're going to get a massive breakout, but I do think this is closest to the truth as possible. So I'll keep you updated. If Bitcoin really gets bearish, there is a chance we break down below 2,400, but that doesn't seem likely at this point of time. But just know that, just monitor that. And for now, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.